Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Cameo Shooting and Education Complex sits just east of Grand Junction in western Colorado, positioned in open terrain where space and distance define the experience. It is one of the largest public shooting facilities in the state, designed to accommodate a wide range of disciplines without feeling crowded or constrained. The setting matters. Shooting ranges in Colorado are often located well outside major population centers, and Cameo reflects that pattern clearly. Open lands, natural backstops, and separation from residential areas shape how these facilities are planned. Space is not just a convenience here, it is a requirement that allows different activities to operate side by side without interference. Cameo is laid out as a purpose-built complex rather than a single firing line. Multiple ranges support different uses, from long-distance rifle shooting to shorter-range practice and organized events. The design prioritizes separation and structure, allowing users to move between areas without overlap or congestion. This approach is common across Colorado's larger shooting ranges. Facilities are typically designed to serve diverse users rather than a single niche. Hunters, sport shooters, competitors, and recreational users often share the same complex, using different areas according to distance and discipline. That diversity shapes how ranges are organized and maintained. The Cameo complex also reflects the state's emphasis on formal, designated shooting areas. In a landscape where public land is extensive, structured facilities provide a controlled environment that reduces impact on surrounding areas. Purpose-built ranges concentrate activity into locations designed to handle it, rather than dispersing use across unmanaged terrain. Geography plays a major role in why the facility like this exists. Colorado's mix of high desert, plains, and mountainous regions create natural conditions suited to long sightlines and outdoor ranges. At the same time, weather and elevation influences how often and how consistently ranges can operate throughout the year. Beyond Cameo, shooting ranges across Colorado tend to follow similar principles. They are spaced far apart, scaled to regional demand, and built with expansion in mind rather than density. Many serve as regional hubs rather than local neighborhood facilities, drawing users from wide areas. What stands out at Cameo is scale. The complex feels intentionally oversized for its immediate surroundings, designed to support high-volume use without feeling busy. That scale allows the facility to host events and accommodate varied activities while still maintaining a sense of openness. The Cameo Shooting and Education Complex represents how shooting ranges function in much of Colorado. They're not hidden or improvised spaces. They are planned, structured environments shaped by land availability, distance, and the realities of a state where open space defines how a recreation is organized. In that context, Cameo is less an exception and more a clear example of how Colorado approaches shooting facilities, large, purpose-built, and positioned where the landscape can support them.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.